Good afternoon, students. So today we will going to learn an interesting topic in mathematics. So let's start about the introduction. So in the expression m square plus 2n cube minus 36m raised to 5, what were the powers of each variable? Okay. So what were the power of these variable? Each of these variable? 2, 3, 5. Okay. In the expression p square plus p cube minus p raised to 9. So what are the powers of p? Okay, you have to tell me the powers of p. So powers of p are nothing but 2, 3, 9. Okay. Next, in the expression 6, what are the power of variable? So 6 is not a variable, it is a constant. So it has the power of the variable is 0. Okay. Anything x raised to 0 is nothing but 1. Okay. So let's move on. So what is the term used for an algebraic expression having power as whole number? So tell me that which term we use in mathematics so that the algebraic expressions having power as whole number, we get an algebraic expression, and which is having power as whole number. So that is nothing but polynomials. Okay. So today we will going to learn about polynomials in detail. Okay. So let's start. So what is polynomial? In an algebraic expression, if the power of the variables are whole number, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Let's move on to the example. 3m raised to 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2. Okay. So what are the powers of m? Yes, the powers of m are nothing but 5, 3, 1 and 0. Okay. Therefore, the given expression 3m raised to 5 plus 5m cube minus 7m plus 2 is a polynomial. Okay. Next example, is 3 minus 1 upon m square a polynomial? We have to check that whether it is a polynomial. So how can we check that? By checking the powers of variable, and they are equal to the or same as the whole number. So 3 minus 1 upon m square is not a polynomial. Because why it is not a polynomial? Because power of m is nothing but minus 2, which is not a whole number. Okay. Whole number containing only the positive numbers. Okay. So next we will see types of polynomials. So based on number of terms, we will define types of polynomials. Okay. So a polynomial is made up of terms. So what are terms? The terms of polynomial are the parts of the equation which are generally separated by plus, positive or minus, negative signs. So each part of a polynomial is an equation, is a term. Okay, so each part of a polynomial in an equation is a term. Okay. So how many terms are there in the given expression? 128x. This one term. Okay, that is nothing but monomial. A monomial is a polynomial which has only one term. Example, so these are the examples of monomial. 2x, 5a square b, 83, etc. are the examples of monomial. Okay. Example in real life, you can write it down as x square, okay, where x is sides of square, okay. So see, there is a bicycle which is used in uh, for which is used in gym trainers, which is used by gym trainers, you can say, and which is used to keep our body fit and healthy, okay. And it is monomial because it has only one wheel. This is example of real term or real life example. Next, how many terms are there in x cube minus 7x square? So there are two terms, that is nothing but binomial. A polynomial with two terms is known as binomial. Bi means two, okay. Example, p raised to 4 plus 4p square, okay. So here there are two terms, or you can say a bicycle having two wheels is also an real life example of binomial, okay, which runs without petrol also, okay. And let's move on. So how many terms are there in m cube minus 2m square plus 6? So there are three terms, okay, and we call that as trinomial. A trinomial is a polynomial consisting of three terms. Tri is nothing but tri meaning three, okay. Example, you can take as y raised to 5 minus 13 y cube plus 7y is example of trinomial, okay. So these, if a bicycle is having three wheels, is a perfect real life example of trinomial, okay. In our younger ages, or the children with younger ages use these type of bicycles, okay. So let's move on to example. So you have to identify the type of polynomial, okay. First one, 33k square plus k plus 4 is nothing but trinomial. Next, 29 m raised to 4 plus 3m cube is nothing but binomial having two terms. Next is 18x is monomial having one term, okay. So these are the examples, and we have to find the type of polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial having one term, binomial having two term, and the term is separated by the plus or minus sign, okay. Trinomial having the three terms, okay. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Next, we will see degree of polynomial in one variable, okay. So the highest power of the variable in a polynomial, the highest power of the variable in polynomial is called the degree of polynomial, okay. Next, degree of polynomial in more than one variable, the highest sum of powers of variable in each term of the polynomial. Here, if the degree of polynomial in more than one variable, the highest sum of the powers of variable. So we will have to calculate the highest sum of the powers of variable in each term of the polynomial, and that is nothing but equals to degree of polynomial, okay. Example, 15x raised to 5 minus 8x square plus 7. So here polynomial is in one variable, that is x. So what is the highest power of x? Highest power of x is nothing but 5, okay. Next example, 4x square y raised to 6 plus 8x y raised to 3 minus xy is a polynomial in two variable, that is x and y. So add the powers of variable in each term of the polynomial. So you have to add the power of variable in each term of the polynomial. What values you are going to get? So first 2 plus 6 is 8, then 1 plus 3 is 4, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the highest power of the variable? Highest power of the variable is nothing but 8. Okay, in this way you can solve many of the examples. Okay, next example, what is the degree of polynomial xyz plus xy minus z? So highest power is 3. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned about polynomials, we have seen their types of polynomial, we have also seen about degree of polynomial. Okay, so I am giving one home assignment, so complete it and let me know the answer in the comment section. So identify the type of polynomial: 2m cube plus 4m square plus 6m plus 8. So identify what is this the type of polynomial in the first example. Next, x square. Next, a plus 7. Okay, thank you so much students.